Hello, I'm Sam from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be talking you around this Volkswagen approved used vehicle.
It's my absolute pleasure to introduce to you this Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace Elegance EVO with the exterior painted in a beautiful Pyrite metallic silver colourway. This vehicle is powered by a 1.5 TSI petrol engine along with an automatic gearbox and is currently covered just around 3,500 miles at the time of recording. Some of the great notable exterior features of this vehicle include the subtle and stylish black accents throughout, the chrome roof bars, as well as the 19-inch Auckland dark graphite alloy wheels that really add to the car's exterior. This vehicle features an electric tailgate allowing the user to easily access the boot space from the key fob. With this being the Allspace priority over Tiguan, it boasts a massive 700 litre storage capacity in the boot. This vehicle comes fitted with the added bonus of a swivel electrically controlled tow bar, perfect for all your towing practicality needs. And then when you're all finished up in the rear of the vehicle, you'll be pleased to know closing the boot is easy as pushing a button. What you see here is the 2 extra passenger seats in the very rear of the vehicle, which help to make the Allspace the perfect people carrier. All 5 of your rear passengers are going to love these cream coloured seats with black accents throughout, 2 of which also benefit from having ISOFIX child seat anchor points. Another feature in the rear of the vehicle is the air conditioning, USB-C charging port along with 12-volt charging socket. Moving on now to the front cabin, you'll find it to be incredibly modern, stylish and comfortable. There's plenty of built-in amenities and storage capability throughout. Both the driver and front passenger are going to get to benefit from these great heated front comfort seats that benefit from adjustable height and lumbar support. If that wasn't enough, you'll be pleased to know the driver's seat also features electrically controlled adjustable settings. The driver will also get to benefit from a leather-wrapped, heated, touch control, multifunctional steering wheel capable of controlling numerous settings on the digital dash, such as the hands-free telephone, the radio, the navigational system, the driving assist settings, driving data, and a whole lot more. The centre benefits from a great touchscreen display system capable of controlling the FM DAB radio, the multimedia settings, the hands-free telephone control, device connectivity, the navigational system, in-depth vehicle insights, the driving assist settings, customizable sound settings with position adjuster, as well as a whole lot more. You'll also be delighted to know this vehicle comes fitted with a rear reversing camera, as well as front and rear parking sensors to help you manoeuvre into those tricky spots. The multi-zone air conditioning can also be easily controlled from the touchscreen display system, allowing users to control both the front and the rear air conditioning, allowing all passengers to ride in a climate that's comfortable for them. Alternatively, the front air conditioning can also easily be controlled just below by modern touch sliders and buttons. Panning down this modern and stylish cabin, you'll find the controls to the air conditioning, numerous phone charging capabilities, sliding storage section, extending armrest with a folding armrest storage compartment. Above head, you'll find convenient features such as reading lights for after dark, as well as the controls for the amazing electric panoramic sunroof.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years manufacturer's warranty, along with 2 years roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01978 340 600, alternatively inquire online now.